Students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. X is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 iota by 2, where iota is under root of minus 1. Then find the value of expression x to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 2. They have asked it to us. So I'll be writing x as the cube root of unity. That means x is equal to 1 to the power 1 by 3. So what will be generated over here? X cube is equal to 1 will be generated over here, and x cube minus 1 will be equal to 0 over here. That means x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0 over here, and then x minus 1 can be written by me, and x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 can be written by me. So I'll be getting x is equal to 1, or I'll be getting this. I can apply quadratic formula over here. So minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. That means 1 minus 4 divided by 2 will be the value of x. So x can be either equal to 1 or minus 1 plus root of minus 3 divided by 2, or minus 1 minus of root of minus 3 divided by 2. Now root of minus 1 is iota told by them. So I will write it as 1 minus 1 plus root 3 iota divided by 2, and this thing as minus 1 minus root 3 iota divided by 2. So this will be becoming 1 only. This I will be writing omega. If this is omega written by me, guys, this will be becoming omega square over here. When I'll be going to do a square of this thing, I'll be getting this thing. When I'll be going to do a square of that thing, I'll be going to get this thing. You can check it, okay? Vice versa, you can check this thing. Now you might be remembering already that product of roots is equal to, you might be remembering now, if we have a cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, and alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this cubic polynomial, I can write alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b divided by a, and alpha, beta plus beta, gamma plus alpha, gamma is equal to c divided by a, and alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus d by a it would be. So guys, minus d by a it would be becoming no. So 1 dot omega square, when I'll be doing no, that will be minus of minus 1 divided by 1. That means omega cube is equal to 1 it will be. That is very important observation, my dear students. Please make efficient use of this observation as well as this observation. 1 plus omega square, my dear students, and I'll be doing no, that will be becoming minus b by a, that is equal to, b is equal to what, my dear students? B is equal to 0. So 0 it will be becoming. These two identities will be using to solve this polynomial written over here. So p of x is asked to you. That means x is what? X is omega, my dear students. This is only the value given over here. So p of omega they want. P of omega will be becoming omega to the power 4 plus 2 omega cube plus 3 omega square plus 3 omega plus 2. Not 3 omega, my dear students, it's 2 omega plus 2. Now let's see how it can be further simplified by me. So to simplify it further, I'll be writing omega cube as 1, so only omega will be remaining. Then again omega cube as 1, so 2 will be remaining. Then 3 omega square as it is will be remaining, plus 2 omega plus 2 will be remaining. Now let's simplify it further. So it can be written by me 3 omega square plus 3 omega plus 4 it will be. That means 3 omega square plus 3 omega plus 3 plus 1 it will be. Now my dear students, let's take 3 common and see what can be done by me. See, when 3 will be taken common by me, omega square plus omega plus 1 will be remaining. So this is having value as 0. I know I have already derived it over here. So I'll be writing 3 multiplied by 0 plus 1 will be the value of final answer. That means 1 is our final answer. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. So we'll be going to mark option D. Thanks for watching.